Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to initialize and format your new drive on your Windows PC. And when you plug in your drive, it's going to probably look something like this, where it's all unallocated. Or you might be getting a pop-up that says MBR, GBT, or something like that. So to get here, it's very easy. Let's go on down to search. Just type in, you can type in disk management. Otherwise, create and format hard disk partitions. You can type that in as well. And it will open up this little box right here. And then we can zoom in on it. But when we have this open, we can just go to our drive. We might have to scroll up or down depending on how many drives we have. And we can go to this unallocated space. Otherwise, you do have the option to click on it and delete it. If you right click on it, you can go to delete volume. And then you do have the format option right there. But you can delete the volume and it'll turn it black so it's on allocated space. Then click on it with the left click, right click. And we have to assign a volume to it now. So let's go to new simple volume. Then go to next. Then I'm going to use up all the disk space. Then you can assign a drive letter. It's going to do like Y or something different. And then go to next. And then I'm going to keep the file system NTFS. Quick format. Next. Go to finish. And now you can see you can start using this drive. So if you look under File Explorer now, you can see I have the Y drive right here that's under PC. And it's now on here, and I can start storing stuff in here. I can create a new folder, etc. So very easy to get this set up. Just, go to here, add a new simple volume, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.